Yo guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Plantronics Rig 800 HD wireless gaming headset. So as you can see, opening up the box, you have this black cardboard, and inside there you have this plastic with the headset, wireless receiver, charging cable and other paperwork that come with the headset. So the headset's secured in there with these Velcro ties, so you just need to undo them and then you can take the headset out. So the headset is really light, and the materials seem to be good quality. Now this receiver was in there quite tight, so I've just cut this out of the video, and here it is. It's just a square plastic box really, the rubberized USB cable on it. And this is the micro USB charging cable, that also has that rubberized finish on it. So here you've got all the paperwork, the quick start guide, warranty information, and there's your Dolby Atmos software key. So on the headset, on the left side of the headset you've got all your controls and your mic, and on each of the ear cuffs you've got this carbon fiber look and gold accents as well. There are all your controls. You've got your volume on and off and charging port. So there's the gold R logo in the right ear cuff, which looks quite cool. Now the mic, to mute it you fold it up, and to unmute you fold it down. It's also bendy, so you can form it to fit your mouth to get better audio. I'm actually using this mic to record the audio for this video, just so you guys can get an idea of what it sounds like. So yeah, that is the headset. I hope this video helped if you were considering buying this headset. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please give it a like, comment and subscribe. I'll put all the links to where you can purchase this headset from in the description.